Welcome back over at Adventure Outdoors and Hotshot. We're getting ready to head up now north to Enid, pick up a Deutz-Fahr tractor 6130. But getting ready to head toward 177 and head north. Stay tuned. Okay, up here in northwestern Oklahoma, where all these turbines are. Just about to Enid on 412, headed west here. Yeah, there's big fields and lots of turbines out here. But stay tuned, we'll be there here in a minute. I think we're headed to Great Plains, Kubota in Enid, Oklahoma. Pick up this Deutz-Fahr 6130. Okay, rolling in here now to Great Plains, Enid. See if we can find our Deutz-Fahr. Okay, let's let our rear down here. Let's grab our little deal. I'm gonna run it in here. It's gonna take a while, so I'm not gonna sit here and let you watch it. Okay. Let's get my chains out here and get them all ready. Okay, here comes the old green beast right here. We'll get her up on there and yeah. Okay, got both the rears here boomed down. Got that one over there done. Let's just finish this in here up. Stuff all over our deal there, you couldn't hardly see. Okay, we're all good now. I was thinking about running one across the front here, but it should be good. Got the top strapped, bungee cord on the door. All caps are on. Yeah, we should be pretty well good to go. Yeah. There's the battery. Look how big that burger is. Yeah. Glad I didn't have to jump it. Okay. Let's head her. Okay. We're about to Highway 35. I-35 up here, interstate. That's doing really good back there. Balanced out pretty good. Cruising along here, front 70, jamming out. was really whipping like a circular motion. Okay, getting ready to get on 35 there. Let's go back here and do check her chains real quick. She looks like she's been riding pretty good. She was a couple turns loose. Yeah, I like to leave my handles down here on the deal where I can see them. Yeah, then I can just look down my trailer here and see if they're flopping or whatever. Okay, where's my strap at? Whoa, I gotta find my strap. Yeah, my top cap strap here was a little loose. Seen it flopping for sure. Okay, we're good to go. Let's ride. We're probably about an hour and a half away from the house. Okay, coming up on Pops here now. Coming back on 66. Yeah, 66. Usually I come through on 33 about Cushing. Just about home, about 30 minutes away. 1440. Coming through Arcadia here. Big red barns up here. Okay, right here's the big round barn. Coming through Arcadia. Okay. Got the Deutz-Fahr back to the yard here. I'm gonna get her on, get the chains off and get her backed off here. Stay tuned. He's over washing that giant baler. Okay, I was pulling all my bungee straps off my doors, and then pulling my top strap here off my top. Okay, we got her fired up here. Let's see if we can figure it out here. Figure out the e-brake. Okay, it's off. There we go. My deal down here in gear. Here we go. I'm gonna ease her back off here. Ease her off here. Okay, we got her unloaded off the rig. There we go. Okay, we're gonna get the deck cleaned up, pull this over here. At least the air's working in here pretty good. Okay, got her to the wash bay. Down here, let's put this in neutral. Pull this in neutral. Put this in neutral. There we go. Now let's run our dill down our boom. There we go. Okay, let's get up out of here. We got this job done for today. Everybody have a great day, and thanks for watching O'Brien Venture Outdoors Hot Shotting Farm Equipment.